In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get more deliveries on Uber Eats. So it really comes down to what the time is for people to order food. So when are they most likely to order food? Now, they might order food, or they're most likely to order food for breakfast between 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. Then again, they will order food around a lunch, so that is around 12 to 2:30 p.m. And then for dinner, some that varies, and it's usually the busiest, so they might order food from 5 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. So that's when you really want to work if you want to get more deliveries on Uber Eats. And one more thing that I can suggest doing is staying near the purple spots on the map, on your Uber Eats driver map, delivery driver map. That means that it's busier there and you can get more deliveries there than you are to get elsewhere. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.